you kind of walk into something thinking you know what's going to happen, and then you start doing it, you go, oh, there's a lot more I need to learn, not a lot more I need to do. And being here has been a process that has given me the ability to learn more, to appreciate others more, to actually kind of appreciate our families and our young people in a very different light. And, someone approached me today and said, the kids are, when you leave, they're losing, one of the larger advocates. I said, size-wise? just in the fact that you always have that at the forefront of your mind, but of your daily activities, is how can we do better? How can we create a system that really is, I appreciate Mr. Hung's comments that says we're not going back, because the back was ugly, sorry. And now we have, my true hope is that we've created a momentum, an inertia to say, yeah, this change things, as difficult as it is, it's what we have to be about, because doing the same thing as we've been doing, it sucks. It sucks not just for the young people and for us as a system, but for our community as a whole, because it makes it worse. Mm-hmm. So, I'm proud to have been here this period of time. As I leave this building, and as I retire, I think, oh, there's so much more work that needs to be done that I could have done, should have done. But, I've seen Roger as in the work that he's doing specifically with the Sentencing Guidelines Commission, and he's really, he's taking the work that we talk about and saying, how do we create our policies, our guidelines in such a way so it's not punitive in the way that has been currently exists, so that really is more responsive to the needs of the young people and the family. So I appreciate the work that he's done. I appreciate when Judge Cahan was here, and she really got the FERS program from an idea to practicalities. It takes a bit of judicial sponsorship to get stuff done sometimes, but really takes, us having the ability to listen to new sources. I had a meeting recently with some folks that said, Judge, you remember when we started talking about restorative justice types of stuff in 2012? And I had to acknowledge, yeah, that's when we start having those conversations. And here we are, from a community member to where now we have institutions kind of looking to do their work in a different fashion. I appreciate the fact that so many different variety of organizations were able to say, as we look for these collaborations and coordinations of activities, how can we create new opportunities? And each time I've been blessed, because whether it was Pam and her shop, or Jimmy and his shop, or Miss Eleanor and her shop willing to say, yeah, okay, let's have these conversations. And it really was the circle stuff that created the opportunity for us to build these trust and relationships where we can move things forward. We talk about work ethic. My work ethic is based upon my belief in our young people and our families, and in us. We can do better. And so, as I walk away from this process as chief judge here and soon as judge, even though I have my hesitancies, I have a sense of confidence that, yeah, we're not going back. Because we don't like that back. We like what we're doing now. And I think under the leadership of Judge Ramsar that, yeah, and Jimmy and Pam and Eleanor and us. It's us that makes it happen. It's not, we can't blame the leaders for the fact that change is not occurring. This is something that we own ourselves. So my blessing is, and my hope to us is that we keep challenging ourselves. We can do more. We can do better. Let's not get complacent. Let's not break our arms, patting ourselves on the back, because I call BS on that. And I'm so thankful. Thank you so much.